Samsung Washing Machine 5E Error Code Troubleshooting Guide Solution. Water drainage issue. Water is not draining from the appliance. Switch off the appliance and wait 30 seconds. Switch on the appliance. Start new program. If shows this error again, check drainage pump filter for blockage. Lint coins hairpins may be stuck in filter. Clean the filter. Check drain hose and waste connection kinks and blockage. Clean drain hose pipe. Remove top cover and back cover. Check drain pump motor connector 220 voltage. If voltage is coming, check drain motor winding resistance. If the resistance not okay, replace the motor. Check harness may be cut from somewhere. Check 220 voltage motor connector. If the voltage not coming, replace the PCB.